Hi guys, welcome back to English in Easy Mode. We are about to do another day at the pizza shop, and I really liked this game actually. It was more fun than I was expecting, so I could not wait to play the second episode. So if you remember, I left some ingredients in here to keep them fresh at night, but I'm probably gonna have to still buy some new supplies as I ran out of a lot of the stuff I was using. Um, oh no, what happened to my... I put a pot of sauce in here. And I thought I put cheese in here too. Huh. Maybe you can only save certain things? Ooh. The garbage bags are floating. This is the demo, so they're still working some bugs out, I think. Let's just leave it floating here. I think I like it this way. Let's go buy more supplies now. Shop. Ooh, and I have new ingredients. Okay. Get some flour, some oil, some cheese, some powder. I don't need more trash bags. Mushrooms, and I guess this is a soda, Carbon Fizz. All right. And now we have to go to the back and collect all of our ingredients. Powder, we have the flour, we have the oil, tomatoes, more tomatoes, soda, mushrooms. What do you mean it's not allowed? Okay. Oops. Did not mean to grab just one slice. See, when you right-click, you take the whole thing. When you left-click, you only get one piece. Okay, to start, we're gonna get the dough ready because I remember that it takes a little while for this machine to mix. So let's get that ready. Sauce, we'll get some sauce. Okay. Let's chop some tomatoes. Chop the tomatoes, we put them in the tray. We're gonna chop all of these tomatoes because I need a lot of tomatoes because I use them to put on top of the pizza, but I also use them to make the sauce. So let's start. We're gonna make 2 pots of sauce at the same time because I think we're gonna have a lot of customers today. And you know what? I think we're also gonna make 2 pieces of dough because each dough only makes 4 pizzas. So I know that I'm gonna need more. Let's chop some mushrooms. The customers are gonna be very excited. How do I open this? Oh, I press E to unwrap. Okay. Chop the mushrooms. All right, we're gonna get ourselves some mushrooms ready. And after this, we will grate the cheese. All right, the last mushrooms are chopped. I did not mean to just grab one tomato. I meant to grab the whole thing. I'm still getting the hang of this game. Still getting used to it. Oh, cheese. Nope. Sooner or later, I will stop accidentally grabbing just one slice instead of the whole thing. But that's okay. We will grate all the cheese. And then the only other thing I can think of that I need to do is maybe put those sodas in the refrigerator. Okay, we're gonna unwrap. Ooh, it just does it automatically. Amazing. Oops, I need to unwrap. Nope. Alright. Open for business. I ring the bell to let the neighborhood know that we're open. Hello, sir. Medium with just cheese and sauce. Okay. Kind of a boring pizza, but, you know, the customer is always right, they say. What does he want? Just cheese. Okay. Let's take the cheese over here. Okay. Get a tray ready for him. Alright, pizza is ready. Where are you sitting, sir? Table 6. Here you go.
You call this a pizza?
Missing drink? What? No! Twins. Maybe his twin will like it better. I did not notice that he wanted a drink. Okay, this guy wants... I see, the drink shows up here in this little corner. Alright, rough start to the day, but we learned our lesson. Sauce. What else? Just sauce and mushrooms, okay. I will put this in the oven, and while that's cooking, I will get him his drink. I really think that guy overreacted a little bit by leaving. He could have just asked me, and I would have given him his drink. Table 3. Here you go. Enjoy. Alright, I guess that's going in the trash. Such a waste of food. Hello, sir. How can I help you? A large pizza with cheese and a drink. Okay. Large pizza with the sauce. Oops. Cheese. That's it? I guess that's it. Oops, we don't want to leave this open and let the drinks get too warm. Alright, this one's almost ready. And done. And he is sitting at table number 6. You know, the guy who was sitting here before was not a good customer. See, this person's happy. Look at how much she loves her pizza. Okay. Now we just wait for the next customer. Hello, sir. A small pizza with everything. Tomatoes, cheese, and mushrooms, and a drink. We call that the combo. That's the classic Italian combo. What am I doing? Wait, large, he said, right? Oh no, small. Okay. Oops. I almost gave him a large pizza. Okay, tomatoes, cheese, mushroom. Nope, mushrooms go on the pizza. Put that there. We will get his drink. I think I'm really getting the hang of this. I'm getting into a good workflow, good groove. Oops, that one got a little bit too cooked. I'm worried he's going to be mad, but let's see. It wasn't burned, it was just a little bit past where I needed it. Missing toppings? I put everything on there. Oh, it's a sunset. How beautiful. Does this mean he wants extra tomatoes? Because that's what the last guy wanted. Oops. Forgot the sauce. Okay. Mushrooms. Cheese. Alright. I'm gonna try to give it to him like this. And if he gets mad, that means... Oops. Do I need... I swear I put tomatoes on. Ugh. Alright. This one's going in the trash. I'm gonna try again. Small. Sauce. Tomatoes. Cheese. Mushrooms. Maybe he wants extra tomatoes? Okay. Alright, I think I figured it out. The plus means he wants extra. Does he want a drink? Yes. Oops, don't worry, I'll take your order. Sorry for the wait, ma'am. I'm still figuring out how to not make the pizza wrong and get the customer upset. One drink. Another order. Oof, things are getting busy. Small pizza is for table 7. Why doesn't anyone want to eat outside in the beautiful outdoor dining area? Alright. He liked it. I think I figured this out. Next, he wants a small with everything and extra cheese. I'm going to have to make more dough soon. That's okay. Alright, this one's empty. So we'll put this one here. Small. Oops, I need the chopped tomatoes. Alright, tomatoes. Mushrooms. Extra cheese. Yes, that's what he wants. The next person wants a medium. Alright, put the sauce on top. Pizza is done. Oop. Sorry for the wait, sir. I'll have that right out to you. Pizza goes here. He wants a drink too. Oops. I left it open again. Table 11. Here you go.
This looks amazing.
It is amazing, yes. Medium with everything and nothing extra. I'm gonna be honest, there's all these pop-ups and I'm really not paying attention. I'm focused on making delicious pizzas. Another customer. Alright, this one's done. Put the pizza on the tray, soda on the tray. And this is going to table 15. Nope. There we go. Sorry for the wait. I hope you're enjoying the outdoors. What's next? A medium with everything and extra cheese. Ah. Forgot to make more dough. I hope the customers are not going to be mad. But you know, sometimes quality food takes time to make. My pizza is art. And art does not happen quickly sometimes. Come on. Okay. Medium. Alright, sauce. Extra cheese. Tomatoes. And mushrooms. And into the oven. Alright, we're gonna need 2 sodas. Might as well get them both. Wait, I don't want to burn this. No, I don't want to burn it. I'm not going to risk having the pizza burn. And this is for customer at table number 13.
Oh, wow, you nailed it.
I did, thank you. Finally, a large with everything, including a soda. Alright, put the sauce on top. Extra cheese. Tomatoes. Mushrooms. Get it into the oven. Get the tray ready. Grab a soda. Close the refrigerator so nothing goes bad. Alright. And this is ready. And... oh, I think he's getting impatient. Sorry, sir. There you go. Sorry for the delay. I will entertain you. Okay. I didn't mean to just smoke a cigarette. The emojis are not very clear. What does this do? Alright, I don't know what that did. I guess maybe that was it for today? Okay, so it's the end of the day, which means we collect the money. Oh, that guy didn't eat his food. I think that was one of the customers that I didn't give him the extra cheese or extra tomatoes or something. He didn't even drink his soda. Well, I'm not going to waste the soda. This can go back. Okay, let's see. We have more money, more trays to dump. Nothing over there. Let's check outside. Alright. So, 2 customers were unhappy today. But you know what? Overall, I think the people appreciate my authentic pizza. My authentic family recipe. Alright, we're almost done with the trays. One more tray, and I think I can close for today. Yeah, I can close for today. No more customer. Oh no, wait, I can't close. We have to preserve all the food. I don't want anything to go bad, and I can't waste anything. I can't fit it on my cart, so we'll just go like this. Oh, and the dough. Oh, we want all the dough. Close the back door so no one steals my food at night. Alright. Put this in here. Lock up the cooler area. Oh, and I have to empty the trash. There's a lot of trash today. Alright. Dump the trash into the dumpster. I think that is it. I think I can close and head home for the night. Well, we learned a lot today at the pizza store. We learned that the customers get mad if you don't give them all the ingredients and the sodas they asked for. So I think tomorrow will be even better, and I will see you guys for the next episode.